As always, welcome to your channel. Are you ready to get to know the best in the world? Let's go! Indonesia, AH-1 Apache, an attack helicopter with advanced capabilities and powerful weaponry, equipped with precise targeting systems and guided missiles. Brazil, Mi-35, a transport and attack helicopter with the ability to carry troops and equipment, equipped with heavy weaponry and resistance armor. United Arab Emirates, AH-1 Apache. This helicopter has advanced targeting systems and modern weaponry, including guided missiles, making it highly reliable and effective in complex military operations. This has led Saudi Arabia and Egypt to also utilize this helicopter. Australia, Eurocopter Tiger. It has advanced offensive and defensive capabilities and is equipped with modern weaponry and advanced electronic systems. Pakistan, Bell AH-1 Cobra, an attack helicopter with a classic design and heavy weaponry capabilities, including powerful missiles and guns, performing excellently in various military operations. It has also been a long-time ally of Iran's military forces. Israel, AH-1 Apache. With advanced systems and powerful weaponry, it performs excellently in various operations. Turkey, T-129 Attack. A native attack helicopter with advanced capabilities and modern weaponry designed for offensive and defensive operations. South Korea, Kai-Surian. A multi-purpose helicopter with transport and attack capabilities, equipped with advanced systems and modern weaponry. If you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Japan, Kawasaki OH-1, a reconnaissance and attack helicopter with advanced capabilities, specifically designed for reconnaissance and attack operations. Italy, Agusta A129 Mangusta. It has high maneuverability and modern weaponry, performing excellently in attack operations. Germany, Eurocopter Tiger, equipped with modern weaponry and good offensive and defensive capabilities. It also has advanced electronic systems, which are also used by France. United Kingdom, Augusta Westland Apache. It has very advanced systems and powerful weaponry, making it highly effective in various operations. India, HAL Light Combat Helicopter or LCH. a native attack helicopter with advanced capabilities and modern weaponry, designed for offensive operations. China. Changhe Z-10. It has modern weaponry and advanced capabilities, making it one of the best in various military operations. Russia. Mil Mi-28 Havoc. With powerful weaponry and advanced capabilities, it is specifically designed for offensive operations. United States of America. Boeing AH-64 Apache. An attack helicopter with advanced targeting systems and modern weaponry, making it one of the best attack helicopters in the world. By the way, if you haven't seen our previous videos, I highly recommend you don't miss them. Until the next exciting video, stay tuned because we'll be back soon.